Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at heavy flooding in the Chinese province of Shanxi on October the 10th, 2021. The floods were caused by heavy rainfall over the previous week, with over 200 millimeters being recorded in many areas. Continued rain is also affecting rescue operations. The rains have also caused landslides and sinkholes in the area, with over 15,000 homes destroyed and over 100,000 people evacuated. The floods have also forced the closure of local mines, as well as the destruction of train lines. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.